welcome back to my channel and happy Wednesday. It's time for another memory spread. For this week it's going to be the 23rd through the 29th of November, or Thanksgiving weekend. My name is Chelsea if you're new, and this is my Recollections Planner where I use a lot of weekly kits by GoldPaperPrints like this one of Give Thanks. Make sure to check out all the links down below for PR information and also the base layout and the basic plan with me's link down below as well, so you can see how this started and got to this point, as well as a link to the haul that will give you details on what this kit looks like, and also the link straight to this specific weekly kit. So with all that said, let's go ahead and get planning so you can see how the week came out. Alright guys, this is my final look of my memory spread for November 23rd through the 29th in my Recollections Planner using the Give Thanks 6-page weekly kit from GoldPaperPrints. Also, any other sticker that was not in the kit, it's also GoldPaperPrints. There's nothing on here that is not GoldPaperPrints. Here are the leftovers. Functional icon, half box. This was the bottom washi with glitter headers, functional sheet, little things with headers, decovers, whatnot, full boxes, and full ombre heart check boxes. So I used quite a bit. I definitely used all of those and quite a bit of everything else. But yeah, that was my week. Make sure to check out the base layout and the pre-plan, which will be linked down below, as well as all the tools and everything that I used for this spread, including the countdowns as well. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, with hauls being on Thursday whenever I get those, which is usually once or twice a month. And then also any bonus videos will be on Tuesdays. I do have a haul coming up very shortly, and also a couple of bonus videos coming in December. I hope everybody had a safe and full Thanksgiving. And with that said, I will see you guys in my next video, which will be in just a couple of days. Happy Wednesday. Have a great rest of your week. And I'll see you guys on Friday. Bye.